He's a good one. I got him when he was just a month old, and then now he's 1 year and 4 months old. Hopefully, he's gonna live longer with me. I don't want him to leave me. And they're indoor cats, so hopefully, nothing bad gonna happen to them. Like my first cat, somebody he got hit by a car out there, so that was really painful for me. You can't imagine I moved away from that house within a night where I used to live with my first cat, which died after having him for a year. Eat it, Putta. Gagu, one more. Come here, you have half can left. Good boy. You're a good boy. Please, you good boy. Please, you good boy. Yes, you are a good boy. He's good. He's pretty. Everybody loves him, but he don't love anybody. He's very mean. He just scratch everyone. I will show you in a little bit. Right now, he's just sitting here, and I'm feeding him. He's fine, but in a little bit, if if I try to touch him, mm-mm, he'll be like, "You go away." See. But he ate more than half, so I'm happy. It's okay. It's okay. Where do you go? What is it? What you doing? Huh? See, he's running away from me now. He's like, stay away. I will show you. See? I didn't even touch him. Just screaming. What is it, boy? There, this is where he sleeps. It's a room. I just made a space for them. Those are all the dolls sitting there. That's his. He used to sleep here. Now I made this part for the little one. And now he's here. He's sleeping here all the time now. Balu, what is it? Mama love you. We Mama love you. Okay. Let me show you. He's gonna be. See? That's my big boy. This is my big boy. This is my big boy. Get it, Billy, get it. He gets aggressive within just no time. Look at his face. You're my good boy. You're my good boy. Billy's a good boy. You're my good boy. You're my good boy. You're my good boy. Big boy. See? He was about to get me so hard over there. Oh, what is it? Mama love you, Bati. You like it? You like your toy? You like your toy? You good boy. He's a crazy boy. He's a crazy boy. But he's a crazy boy. My goodness, he's getting two. What? Don't get me. Don't look at my hand. Leave it. Hey guys, nail stuck in there. Leave it, baby. Coco is here too, so he want to play as well. Let me show you. He's here. Coco, what is it? Is she a good boy? Coco is my good boy. Coco. I love them. Hey, you boy. What is it? He's looking at him. He wants to beat him. Give it to mama, baby. Look at his face.